Hello everybody, this is my personal PC, my main PC, but I'm in a budget, so this stuff is not the latest gear. Let's start off with the motherboard. This Asus A58MK is a budget motherboard. However, it does include a lot of features like UEFI BIOS. All of these features: Fan Expert, AI Suit, VRMs, and it uses the A58 chipset. It cost me around it cost me like 50 euros. It's micro ATX motherboard. Well, it's slightly smaller than a standard micro ATX. Then we have the CPU and X4 860K. All of this stuff has already been unboxed because it's already on my PC, which I'll show you in a bit. Then the graphics card is a GT 730, which is like a perfect match for this. Like, it would be roughly as having an integrated GPU on this thing, because it has DDR3 memory. It's at 800 megahertz physical, which is the same as this memory. However, I overclocked that graphics card to get a better performance. That means I won't have to overclock my RAM. And since overclocking the RAM is not so safe, and well, I'm just gonna show you my PC now. Hey guys, I'm back, and this right here is the actual PC. Now, you're probably wondering how I have so little boxes of components and how do I have the entire system. Well, I do have the case box right there, and it's this nice PC. Now the DVD drive is not actually being used because it's an ID. I tried using adapters, but it just didn't work. This cooler, it doesn't actually come with my processor, and as you've already seen, it comes with a one without heat pipes and things like that. This fan doesn't come with the case either. I had actually extracted this fan, which is more like airflow and how it's meant to be, but I actually extracted this from a heatsink from an HP computer. Yeah, they were using an airflow fan in a heatsink, like for a heatsink. That's the GT 730, and that's a TV card that it's not compatible with my system right now. I will clock this like its default clocks is one is for the memory, it's 800 megahertz physical, and for the GPU chip it's 901 megahertz. I will clock it to the GPU to 1200 megahertz, and the memory 1,140 something megahertz, and overclocking just slightly. That is the RAM right there. See if I can focus. Yep. And now the power supply. This was bought off eBay, like second hand. But I suggest you don't buy random power supplies, because you never. Sometimes this doesn't come in here, and the power supply is a very cheap and very light one, like I have right here. Even though it has a higher wattage, it's low quality. Also doesn't provide enough for this graphics card in the 12-volt rail. And here's second-hand 1 terabyte hard drive, and that is a 500 gigabyte. It's 500 gigabyte from a laptop. That's a frontal fan, and the nVidia drive, which is not used.